Hey guys, foldable phones have several problems, among them battery life, but the $1,900 Motorola Razr Fold didn't get the memo. We just put Motorola's first book-style foldable through the Tom Sky battery test, so let's talk about it in today's video. And if you like these battery tests, consider subscribing, because you won't find our results anywhere else. For those new to the channel, at Tom Sky we run a standardized battery test across every phone. We call it the Tom Sky battery test. The screen's locked to 150 nits, the phone's on 5G, and it just keeps surfing the web until it dies. We use each phone's default refresh rate for the sake of our ranking. That way, the results are consistent and easy to compare. But the Razr Fold is giving us a first, as in our first non-flip foldable to make the list. Lasting an impressive 14 hours and 31 minutes, the Razr Fold is officially the best notebook-style foldable phone in terms of battery life. As a reminder, the best phone we've ever tested for battery life is the OnePlus 15. That lasts over 25 hours, but if you're looking at our top 10 rankings, the Razr Fold just beats out Samsung's S25 Ultra for that last spot. Worth noting that when we optimize the display's refresh rate for longevity, we get 16 hours and 10 minutes out of this thing. But for the sake of the comparisons we're about to get into, we're going to be using that 1431 result. You'll notice the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is not on the list. At 10 hours and 44 minutes, it just doesn't really compete here. And that's notable because Motorola is already ahead in battery life despite this being its first book-style foldable, while Samsung is several generations deep into the form factor. The Z Fold 7 also has a 4400 mAh battery compared to the Razr Fold's 6000 mAh cell. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 rumors do point to a bigger battery, but likely still not to this level. We'll have to wait and see. The other comparison here is Google's Pixel 10 Pro Fold. It lasted 12 hours and 16 minutes with a 5015 mAh battery. And honestly, it was the first foldable that gave me real hope that this category could eventually keep up with premium slab phones. And I gotta say, I'm not totally surprised by this. Motorola phones have consistently performed well in our battery testing. They even have a power lineup, although ironically, those aren't always the most efficient phones. We'll save that for another video. The point is, Motorola clearly prioritizes battery life, and this is the payoff. So that's everything you need to know about the Motorola Razr Fold's battery life. It's officially the longest lasting notebook foldable we've tested and slots into our ongoing rankings. Let me know, did these results surprise you? And how much does battery life factor into your next phone upgrade? I mean, if you like this battery test, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we've always got a lot of real world testing coming. As always, I'm John V, and I'll see you in my next video.